Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we will show you how to show audio alerts visually in Windows 10. This feature is particularly useful for those who may have difficulty hearing audio alerts or simply prefer visual cues. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by selecting the Start button, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, navigate to Settings. You can find the Settings icon in the Start menu, or simply search for it in the search bar. Click on Settings to proceed. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Ease of Access. This section provides various accessibility options to customize your Windows experience. Once you've clicked on Ease of Access, you'll see a list of options on the left side of the screen. Choose Audio. Step 3. Now, you're in the audio settings. Look for the option that says Show Audio Alerts Visually. This is where you can choose how you want audio alerts to be displayed. Click on the drop-down menu to explore the available options. Step 4. Depending on your preference, you can select one of the following options: title bar of the active window itself, or the entire screen. By choosing any of these options, you'll be able to see visual alerts when notifications arrive, instead of relying solely on sound. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to show audio alerts visually in Windows 10. This feature can greatly enhance your user experience, ensuring you never miss important notifications. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and make changes whenever you want. Feel free to experiment and find the visual alert option that best suits your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to show audio alerts visually in Windows 10. We hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips. Until next time, take care.